so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Remember that one time we got to hang out with Bowie the rainbow and learn about rain? Yeah, that was so much fun. Why don't you and I draw Bowie together? All right, I'm gonna take black and draw some lines like this to make clouds. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And we need 2 big arches like that. Whoa, yeah, there we go. And now 2 circles for his eyes. There we go. And a big smile because he is nice and happy. There we go. We can't forget about his eyebrows up there. And then his arms. Whoa, yeah. And his hands right up there. Whoa. Whoa, Bowie was so fun, wasn't he? Whoa. I sure do love drawing. And Bowie, you're fun too. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye, Bowie. Bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you seen me drive my Blippi-mobile? Oh, it's a really cool car, but not an ordinary car. Yeah, I have attachments and I can go in really cool places. Hey, why don't you and I draw my Blippi-mobile together? First, let's start with 1 wheel and tire, another wheel and tire, but then we need to take the orange and draw a circle inside there. Yeah, just like that. And then let's take the color blue and then draw a rectangle right in between. Yeah, see that? Whoa! And then we draw a circle like this. Yeah, and that's where I sit. And if we draw straight up, yeah, the back, you can color it in. Whoa! And right here, I'm going so fast! Cool! Well, if you love drawing with me, yeah, and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see what I'm wearing on my head? Yeah, my hat. I wear this hat every single day. I love hats. They look really cool, and they keep the sun from hitting your head. Whoa, how about you and I? We could draw my hat together. All right, first let's draw a curved line on the bottom, a parallel curved line as well, straight line, a straight line, and then a half circle up top. Whoa! And then this is gonna be a little tricky. Check this out. Whoa! All right, let's draw an oval for the button. All right, and what color is my hat? Yeah, blue and orange. All right, so we need to repeat them. There's orange, here's orange, and then orange down here, of course. And then right up top, we're gonna have to do blue right here. Yeah, it's a pattern. Blue, orange, blue, orange. And how does that look? Does it look great or does it look great? I know. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a shark. Not just any shark, a great white shark. Yeah, do you know what color they are? Yeah, the color gray. Gray on top, white on the bottom. All right, let's take our gray marker and make a curved line, make a point, come back. Whoa, and now for the tail. Whoa, yeah, look at that. That's a great start. All right, now we need to make some fins. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's really looking like a shark now. Look at all those angles and points. They kind of look like triangles, don't they? All right, now let's draw a line right through here. Wow, and now we need to draw the teeth. Rah! So pointy and sharp. Ah! And a nice circle for an eye. Whoa! Did you know great white sharks, on average, they grow to 15 feet in length. That's about 4.5 meters. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I think we should draw something together. A big big machine that puts out fires. And most of the time, it's the color red. Yeah, a fire truck. Let's draw this. All right, first there's gonna be a rectangle up front for the cab. Whoa, and then, whoa, a sideways rectangle. Yeah, and that's where all the tools are. Ooh, and up here, yeah, we can draw another rectangle with a bunch of lines on it. Yeah, do you know what that is? Yeah, the ladder. And you can't forget about the wheels and tires. There we go. Oh, and a window for the cab. Oh, and then circle. A circle, a circle, a circle. Yeah, it looks like a spiral. And that is the hose and the sprayer. Yeah, can't forget about the half circle up there for the siren. Wow, now that's a great looking fire truck. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woo. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have something really fun for us to draw together today. Let's draw a castle. There's a lot of rectangles on this one. So first, let's draw a sideways rectangle like that. There we go. And then a rectangle, a really tall one right in the middle. And then a shorter one on this side. Whoa, look at that. And then a shorter one on this side right here. Whoa, and then we can draw a nice triangle right up top on all three of these. Whoa, it's starting to look like a castle, right? Oh, and you can't forget about the drawbridge. There we go. Whoa, and then let's draw a little flag up top. Whoa, there we go. Cool, and let's draw some windows right there. Whoa, do you like that castle? I do too. I would love to live in a castle. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know what machine I was acting like? Yeah, an excavator. And today, you and I are gonna draw an excavator. All right, let's take the black and the orange marker and let's draw some shapes. First, let's draw a very long rectangle. Whoa, just like that. And then let's draw a square on top of that one. And a square inside the square for the window. That's where the operator sits. All right, and then a very long rectangle like this. Yeah, and a circle right here. Another rectangle right there. Yeah, and now we need to draw the bucket. Some teeth. Whoa, cool! Now we have the arm, the boom, and the bucket. And now we need to draw a very long oval with some small circles on the inside, just like that. Whoa, that was so much fun. And I love excavators. And if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!